Dr. Sella here, and my doctoral dissertation was entitled Utilizing the 80-20 Rule to Improve Football Coaching Performance. So during 2014 and 15, I worked with a college football program over the spring and did a qualitative analysis on how if you take the top 20% of what you do, it's going to give you 80% of your results. So you need to go all in on whatever you believe the top 20% of your program is. That's in terms of evaluating strength and conditioning, practice, games, every decision you make. You're looking to evaluate it and take whatever the top 20% of that is and go all in on that. Now this college football program, since we completed the study, they had 3 undefeated regular seasons in 4 years after that and have done remarkably well. If you know me, you probably know the program with whom I've worked. But because of privacy, I have to obviously not give the name of the school, which sucks because it improves credibility significantly. Regardless, the 80-20 rule, if you want to be great at getting to what really matters in being a successful triple option coach, since I did that study, that qualitative study, there's a venture capitalist, his name is Oren Klaff, and he told me this a while ago. I've gotten to know him the last 10 years. He's made, I believe, over $6 billion in sales. And he told me this. He goes, Lou, you got to take the 80-20 of the 80-20, and that's your real answer. So really, when you look at what you're doing, anything you do in life, the top 4% of what you do is giving you 96% of the results. Now listen, before the brain pops out of your head, the point of this is you got to really take a look at what you're doing every day. What you're doing in practice, what you're doing in strength conditioning, and what you're doing in terms of game day, and basically what you're doing in life. And if you can narrow everything down to the one thing that matters, you're on the right track. And I can tell you this. I'm not a high school football coach. Well, I was. I coached football, high school, college level for 25 years, but here's what I can tell you. If you look at strength and conditioning, pretty much all the science has indicated that if you go all in on the parallel squat, it gives you your best chance of winning for a lot of reasons. In terms of practice, and you've heard me say this endless times, but I'll say it another time. If you go all in on running plays with the full team there, that's going to give you your best chance of getting good fast. And when it comes to game day, and you've heard me say this before, and this is all based on new data from 2020, if you go all in on the zone dive, and you can get 4+ yards running zone dive, that's your best chance of winning the football game. So the 80-20 rule really is the 96-4 rule. So take that information and utilize it in 2021 to get your program to the next level. You need to get a hold of me, call me, my number's on the